What if I told you that folding this paper just 50 times could get you to the sun? Sounds like clickbait, right? But no, this is real math, and it's absolutely mind-bending. Every time you fold a paper, its thickness doubles. A regular sheet is about 0.1 millimeter thick. Fold it once, 0.2 millimeters. Twice, 0.4 millimeters. 10 times, around 10 centimeters thick. 20 times, you're looking at a stack as tall as a house. It doesn't take long before things go crazy. Fold it 30 times, you've reached the stratosphere. Fold it 42 times, you're touching the moon. Now fold it 50 times, and your paper stack is over 100 million kilometers tall. That's the distance from Earth to the sun, just by folding. But I can't even fold it more than 7 times. Exactly. After each fold, it gets exponentially thicker and harder to fold. To fold it 50 times, you'd need a sheet of paper longer than the entire solar system. Now, imagine if you could. Keep folding. 60, 70, 100 times. At some point, your paper becomes so dense and massive, it would collapse into a black hole. Yes, a black hole made of office paper. What if some advanced alien race learned to fold not just paper, but matter itself? Folding planets, folding space? Suddenly, teleportation, time travel, or interdimensional storage doesn't seem so impossible. So next time you try to fold a paper, remember, you're messing with a force strong enough to touch stars. Just be glad. You can't fold it more than 7 times. Yet, what if we could fold space itself like paper? That's a question for another what if.